Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll guide you through creating a helpful, professional-looking content management system right inside Notion, using one of their ready-made templates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid system to organize your blog posts, social media ideas, or really any content workflow, all set up in minutes and tailored to fit your own needs. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered notes or folders, this is exactly what will turn that chaos into clarity. Let's dive in. The fastest, smartest way to build your content management system in Notion is to start from their free template. Notion's team has designed these with a polished look and thoughtful layouts, so you're not starting from scratch or worrying about missing important details. Using a template is like moving into a fully furnished apartment that you can rearrange and decorate to match your style. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser. You'll notice a little drop-down menu on the top left of your workspace. This is where Notion keeps all its options and tools. Give that a click, and you'll see Browse Templates in the list. It might be near the middle or bottom, depending on your screen. Selecting Browse Templates takes you into Notion's template gallery, which is packed with helpful starting points for just about any project. Now, in the search bar, type Content Management System. Sometimes templates are titled as master databases, especially if you're tracking a lot of interconnected content types. So if you don't see the exact phrase Content Management System, look for anything labeled as a master content tracker, database, or content calendar. These all can work beautifully and offer similar features. Once you've spotted a template that looks like it'll fit your workflow, take a moment to click on it and browse the preview. You'll often see sample entries for blog posts, videos, or campaigns, and those placeholders give you a great sense of the template's structure. When you're ready, just hit the Add button. Notion copies the template into your own workspace instantly, so you're not editing a public version. It's all yours to tweak and tailor. Here's where the magic happens. With the template in your workspace, you can start plugging in your own credentials and content right away. For example, if you're managing a set of articles, replace the placeholder titles and dates with your real pieces. If you need to keep track of creative assets or collaborators, update those fields so everything reflects your actual workflow. Don't rush here. Taking a few extra minutes to personalize each field makes your system more intuitive and saves hours down the road. Now, feel free to customize. Maybe you want to change the cover image, add your logo, or tweak the color labels to match your brand. Notion makes this super simple. Just hover over any section you want to change, click on the settings, and experiment with layouts until it really feels like your own workspace. You can add checkboxes, deadlines, tags for status updates, or links to Google Docs. Whatever supports your particular process. And honestly, if something doesn't make sense, or you're not sure you need a certain column or feature, don't be afraid to delete or rename it. Remember, templates are starting points, not rigid frameworks. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've set up a robust content management system using Notion's template, ready for all your creative projects or business needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions or want to share how you've customized your workspace, drop a comment below. I love hearing what people come up with. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!